I've been doing a lot of stepper driver testing lately, of a lot of different brands, but one question I always had, is there a difference between an A4988 clone and an actual Pololu A4988? So let's check it out. This is a genuine A4988. This is an A4988 clone. The genuine Pololu A4988 costs about $12. The clone A4988 costs about 90 cents on AliExpress. Here's a look at what a genuine Pololu A4988 sounds like and what temperature that it runs at. Here's a look at a clone A4988, what it sounds like and what temperature it runs at. You can see that the clone driver actually runs quite a bit cooler than the genuine driver does. And the first thing that I thought, well, maybe the currents were different. But here's the current for the clone A4988. And here's the current for the genuine A4988. Here's what the chip on the genuine A4988 looks like. And a close-up of the clone A4988. So we've heard what they print like, we've set the current they run at, and we've seen the temperature they run at. How's the print quality on these two drivers? Here's a Benchy with clone A4988s. A very respectable print and a nice Benchy. Here's a Benchy from the genuine A4988s. Almost identical to the clone drivers. So the print quality is pretty much the same on both drivers. The only thing I really can't test in this scenario is reliability, and I'm sure that Pololu uses a lot higher grade of component than a clone driver would. But they're also 12 times the price. You can get a lot of clone drivers for the cost of one Pololu driver. Is Pololu a great company and do they make great products? Of course they do, and they're great to work with. But for my money, I'd probably just get a really big box of clone drivers and call it a day. Thanks to everyone that supports me on Patreon. These quick videos are just for you, and I'll see you at the next coffee break.